Mastering modals. Giving advice using English conditionals. Hello learners. Welcome to today's lesson on the exciting world of English grammar. We're focusing on a very practical and useful topic: giving advice using conditionals with modals. This is a fantastic tool to enhance your conversational skills and sound more natural when speaking English. Before we dive into giving advice, let's briefly revisit conditionals with modals. Modals are auxiliary verbs that express necessity, possibility, permission, or ability. They include words like could, would, should, might, and so on. Conditionals, on the other hand, are used to speak about real or unreal situations, their consequences, and hypothetical scenarios. When we combine them, we can create sentences like, if you studied more, you could get better grades. Now that we have a basic understanding, let's explore how to use this structure for giving advice. This is often done using the should modal. For example, if I were you, I should apologize. But keep in mind, this isn't the only way. Here are some examples. 1. Using could to suggest possibilities. 2. If you joined the club, you could make new friends. 3. Using might to suggest a small possibility. 4. If you tried this dish, you might like it. 5. Using would to strongly recommend something. 6. If you asked me, I would take the job offer. Remember, these structures can be used for both real advice about present situations and hypothetical future scenarios. Now, let's practice. How would you advise a friend who's struggling with time management? Remember to use conditionals and modals. A possible answer could be, if you created a daily schedule, you might find it easier to manage your time. And that's a wrap for today's lesson on giving advice using conditionals with modals. Remember, the best way to learn is by practicing. So try using these structures in your everyday conversations. You'll be giving advice like a native speaker in no time. We hope this lesson was helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Keep practicing, and happy learning!